Civic. I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Alright, so we out here. Scared in the motherfucker. There's always that shit shouldn't go wrong, but the same could have been said about last time too, yo. Oh, wrong street. To the right, to the right. So while we out here, we tuning the math, as you can see over there, but same old shit, just a different day. Feels good, you know what I'm saying, just like before, but now it's always, like you said, that inkling in the back of your mind that what if. So, like I said, I ain't got time to be getting I ain't got time to be getting called home and shit tonight. I gotta work in the morning, so easy peasy tonight. fucking did it. What the fuck? Yup. Motherfucker did it again. Difference between last time and this time, I'm prepared. Prepared like a motherfucker. Some bitch. Alright, where's my fucking window thing? I'm tired of fucking with this truck. So at this point, I don't know. I feel like that other drive shaft I got works better. Well, I won't say better, but that other motherfucker keeps slipping, and I don't know why. I haven't had this issue with now another swap. This is time to go back to the drawing board, do some research.